How to share Canva designs on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the design you want to share. You can also create a new project by clicking the Create a Design button if you haven't already. Once your design is ready, click the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will see several sharing options. You can share via email by entering the recipient's email address and selecting whether they can view, comment, or edit the design. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link by clicking Copy Link. Choose the link settings to allow viewers to view, comment, or edit depending on your preference. You can also directly share to platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft Teams, email, and more from Canva by selecting the platform under the Share menu. Once shared, recipients can access your design instantly and you can manage permissions anytime from the Share menu. Now you know how to share Canva designs on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.